lately, Mr. Chewy has an interest in the camera, and he loves it. When I wake up in the morning and I start, mixing or even photography, he sees that camera and he wants to be part of something. I think I'm going to have a project while I'm laid off for the next couple of months that'll prove to be quite interesting. You don't have to go out, Mr. Chewy. Only if you want to. What do you want, Mr. Chewy? You're not being very clear this morning. You want to hang out with Daddy? Okay. Let's go make some breakfast then. Let's go make some coffee. Come on, Chewy. Good boy. What? What would you like this morning, Mr. Chewy? He's such a good boy, Mr. Chewy. Would you like some whipped cream? Okay. Went to Costco yesterday and made sure we were all stocked up. And some extras. Make sure that we have plenty of whipped cream for Mr. Chewy. Here you go, Mr. Chewy. He loves it. Look at his little tongue. Oh, Mr. Chewy. After this, he'll probably want to go outside. Good boy, Mr. Chewy. You want to go outside now? Come on. When I wake up in the morning and I start, mixing or even photography, he sees that camera and he wants to be part of something. I think I'm going to have a project while I'm laid off for the next couple of months that'll prove to be quite interesting. That Mr. Chewy is something else. I believe that he has a human soul. Sometimes. Most of the time he's a kid. But he understands. Apparently, Mr. Chewy has been expressing an interest in working with me over the next couple of months while I'm, on layoff. So it's been unbelievable. He's been, every morning he's been there. He shows up on time, and he wants to do something. He wants to film something. When I pull the camera out, he wants to do something. It's amazing. So I think I'm gonna have some interesting projects happening this winter. Stay tuned.